Good afternoon. It's Steve with Ardan here again. We're at our North Scottsdale project, getting a push towards Christmas now to try finish the project up as we get towards Christmas and New Year. And there's really a big push. I had a slow day today with subs as we're laying tile floor, but um, outside stucco is starting to cure. We have some exterior concrete to pour and finish out some small pad stuff. The overhang here is really coming along in the soffit and the water feature. As we come to the inside here, our Belmont cabinets are installed. These were installed yesterday for countertop template tomorrow so that we can have countertops installed December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. So it was a push to get it in. These Belmont cabinets are just amazing. The Bloom Legra drawer guides, these are just unbelievably good quality cabinet drawer guides and boxes. These are all metal. And so they're just a really solid, soft close, good hardware. As the boxes get big, those hardware pieces are so critical. Floor tile, as you can see, is going in, and these are a really large format floor tile. It's a 24 by 48 floor tile in an Arizona set, and it's just coming along really nice. But as everybody knows, on big tiles, they take a lot of thin set to level them out. As you can see in the kitchen here, as this is coming together, you have the gas cooktop here, the hood. It's going to be a built-in hood. Sink here at this nice window out the entry here. That's why that missing post on the patio is so critical, because it would have blocked the view so bad. Here it's just all wide open. On this side we have full-size fridge, full-size freezer, side by side, and then the pantry cabinets have pullouts, adjustable. Again, the Bloom Legra, and just awesome cabinets. These Belmonts are just amazing cabinets. As we come into the kind of the butler's pantry area, this is a dry butler's pantry. There's no water here, but full set of cabinets, countertops, floating shelf, into the dining room space in the back. This client, what they really loved about this whole project and the dream that they had is they entertain all the time. And so they wanted this large open floor plan for the kitchen. This is going to be one whole island countertop, waterfall edge on this side, 4 seats for the husband and wife and 2 kids to sit here for breakfast, but then to entertain, then having this kitchen set up here and actually having a formal dining room over here was really a big push for a design standpoint and what they're looking for. This dining room is going to have a 12-foot, I believe, by 4-foot table in here, seating for 12, with expansive seating if they needed, but then having the indoor-outdoor feel we talked about in some prior videos. This is a bifolding stacking door, so that as they entertain, they can do buffet, they can do all the prep work in the kitchen, they can have formal dining out here, and then out on the patio would be that indoor-outdoor lifestyle. A lot of this patio was all existing. So one of the things that we mimicked in this whole build is to match the house with all this existing patio. We did this patio 2015, I believe, or 16 for the client. And the dream was always to do this now, do this project back then, and then transition into this project we're doing today, years later. So this is a multi-year faceted project. The metal that you see up at the parapet walls, this is going to be what the metal's looking like in the front. That metal will be getting installed in the next couple weeks out on the front. But this whole same look, these big large blades, the metal, the TNG, all that stuff is matching this backyard on the new project.